Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Suresh Gopi's birthday special mashup by Linto Kurian.
Yes, so Suresh Gopi is a famous actor. We
Yes.
all know that he is a famous actor in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Bollywood film industry also as
Yes.
well. We have seen a couple of movies of in Bollywood
Yes,
of
right.
Suresh Gopi actually, and he's a famous personality also. He is a member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha,
So
and
he
he
is
has
also a
done
multi-talented
200
person,
films
you can
also.
say, yes.
So multi-talented person, and also he has gotten a lot of award also, Kerala Film Festival Award, the National Film Award, and what not. He's a
Yes.
famous personality, and yes, a very good human being also as well. Today is his birthday, so happy birthday to Suresh Gopi
many
sir.
happy returns of the day, sir.
Yes, and you just take care of your family, take care
Yes.
of your health, and this pandemic situation we all know. So God bless
Yes.
you, sir. So let's get started with the mashup now. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So chalo, chat se let's get started.
ഒരു സുപ്രഭാതത്തിലാണ് ഇടുത്തി വീണ പോലെ സൈന്യം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു വേറെ ആൾ വന്ന് ആ വേഷം ചെയ്തു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. പെട്ടെന്നൊരു ജാവ ബൈക്കില് ഒരു 6 അടി പൊക്കമുള്ള സുമുഖനായിട്ടുള്ള വ്യക്തി, നല്ല ഭംഗി കാണാൻ. അത്രയും കാലം എനിക്ക് സൈന്യത്തിന്റെ അടുത്ത് ദേഷ്യം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, കാരണം എന്റെ ഇത്രയും എനിക്ക് ആ വേഷം കിട്ടില്ല. പക്ഷെ ഈ സുമുഖനായ ചെറുപ്പക്കാരനെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക്, കാരണം എന്നേക്കാൾ 100% ഇതിന് അർഹനായിട്ടുള്ള ആളാണ് ആ വേഷം ചെയ്ത്.
മാന്ത്രിക വിദ്യ കൊണ്ട് രാജകുമാരനായി മാറിയ പെണ്ണിച്ചെറുക്കന്റെ കഥ ഒരു മുത്തശ്ശി കഥ പോലെ വിചിത്രം.
യാത്രകൾ ഒരുപാട് യാത്രകൾ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു.
His face is very similar, right?
Like Mohanlal sir.
Mohanlal sir, yeah.
Travel back to your roots.
മോനെ, എന്താണ് നിന്റെ പ്രശ്നം? എടാ, നിനക്കൊരു പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടായി ഞാനുണ്ടാവില്ലടാ. ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ ഈ മുഖം?
അറിയാം, മിന്നൽ പ്രതാപൻ എല്ലാം അറിയാം.
ഏതാ നിന്റെ രാജ്യം? കോഴിക്കോടെ കുതിരവട്ടമല്ലല്ലോ. ഇപ്പൊ പോണ്ട. കുറച്ച് തീരുമാനമാണോ? വേണ്ട. അപ്പൊ പിന്നെ എന്നാ ചെയ്യാനാണ്? എടുത്ത് തട്ടടാ അവനകത്ത്. വേണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ?
അടി തെറ്റിയാൽ ആരാ വീഴാത്ത? വെള്ളത്തിൽ പോയെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് മിന്നൽ പ്രതാപന്റെ വീര്യമൊന്നും അലിഞ്ഞു പോകത്തില്ലടാ. ഇതല്ലാതെ നമ്മുടെ തക്കളി പോലീസിലെടുത്തത്
ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ ഈ മുഖം?
Okay.
ഒരു 4-5 വയസ്സുള്ള ഒരു കൊച്ച് ഞാൻ വിളിച്ച് മോനിക്ക് വന്നേ, മോൻ ആരെയാ ഇഷ്ടം? മമ്മൂട്ടി അങ്കിളിനെയാണോ മോഹൻലാൽ അങ്കിളിനാണോ? അവൻ ഭയങ്കര അഭിമാനത്തോടെ എഴുതിടം സുളേറ്റ് പോവുകയാണ്.
I am a bloody Muslim, Indian Muslim, Hindu Muslim. ഈ വേഷം, ഇതാണ് നിന്റെയൊക്കെ പ്രശ്നം. ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ്. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു മുൻവിധി വന്നു പോയാൽ പിന്നെ മുടിഞ്ഞു പോകും ഈ നാട്. തന്തയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ കമ്മ്യൂണിസ്റ്റുകളുടെ നാട്.
ഓർത്തോ, I am ഭരത് ചന്ദ്രൻ. തനിക്ക് ഏതവനാണോ ഈ പേരിട്ട് സാറിന്റെ അച്ഛൻ?
Thank you and up yours.
ഇത്രയും വർഷമായിട്ട് ആ തോക്കെടുക്കാനായിട്ടൊരു പകരക്കാരൻ മലയാള സിനിമയിൽ വന്നിട്ടില്ല. കാക്കിയിട്ടാൽ ആനയ്ക്ക് നെറ്റിപ്പട്ടം കെട്ടിയ പോലെ ഇത്ര ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് വേറെ ആൾ വന്നിട്ടില്ല.
മുഹമ്മദ് സർക്കാർ is inflammable, highly inflammable. കോടതിയിൽ ഉമിത്തി പോലെ നീർനീറി കിടക്കുന്ന ചാർജ് ഷീറ്റുകളെ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടു കാണുകയുള്ളൂ. പ്രളയാഗ്നി പോലെ ദഹിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കണം.
എവനെയും കെട്ടിയെടുത്തോണ്ട് ചാക്കോ വെച്ച് കണ്ട് ഈ ആണ്ടിപ്പറ്റി വരെ വന്നതേ അത് തിരിച്ചു പോകാൻ തന്നെ. തിരിച്ചു പോകാന്നുള്ള ചന്ദ്രപുളണ്ട.
In a lot of the movies he has acted as police.
Police, yes. His gesture, appearance is very much suitable with police role. Ajit sir was also there, I think, in some of the scene.
എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്ത് കാണിക്കണം എങ്കിൽ തന്നെ ഞാൻ തന്തയ്ക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ മോനെ എന്ന് വിളിക്കും. ഓണം പരമനാറി. പരമനാറി നായിന്റെ മോനെ.
എടാ, നിന്റെ തന്ത ആരായാലും, നിന്റെ തന്തയുടെ തന്ത ഏത് കൊമ്പനായാലും പുന്നക്കാടിന് പുല്ലടാ. എന്നാ പിടിച്ചോ, നിന്റെ ഉമ്മമാരെ കെട്ടിക്കാനുണ്ടാക്കിയ അതിക്കത്ത്.
ഇതിന് തന്നോണ്ടുള്ള അധികാരമൊക്കെ ആരാ അവന് കൊടുത്തത്? നിന്റെ അമ്മയുടെ നായര്.
The action king.
Huge fan base in town.
Hold your breath, the D-Day is coming.
I'm game. For another game.
Be prepared for that. The real hunt
Wow, it was breathless. Wow, I really
Now
like
the
this
king
look.
is back.
Wow, very nice.
Yes.
To my childhood superhero. Yes, it was
Yes.
looking like he has, started his career from long ago, and he has done a lot of films,
A lot of the
200
movie.
films,
And I
lot of
think,
the movies, and
all different type of characters he
correct.
has played.
Yes, mainly he was very suitable with police role and lawyer role, which we
Yes.
understood.
And I think
by seeing.
starting of the career, he was
Yeah.
like some fun-loving kind of guy. And
Yes,
during
गाँव का
those
लड़का
time,
kind of,
during
role.
those time, he used to play like a comedy kind of
Comedy
roles
kind
also.
of roles, yes,
So and
yes.
after that, he became too much serious, and he used to do lot of action
Lot
scenes
of
also.
action scenes, yes,
so
yes.
he became the action king also.
Action king, and yes, if I'm not wrong, I have seen him in some of the Bollywood movie also as well.
Yes,
His
we
face
have
is
seen
very
it, yes.
similar, and he has done also
I think in Bollywood
movies
also, I
that
have
we
seen
know.
him in police role as well.
हाँ, मुझे भी लग रहा है पुलिस रोल या फिर वकील लॉयर का रोल, because he is his
Very
face
similar
is
face,
very
yes.
suitable with lawyer role or police role
Right.
or mantri kind of role, like just like Mohanlal sir, because they are senior actor and this kind of role suits him the best.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think while
The powerful.
early days, he was looking similar to the Mohanlal sir.
Mohanlal
also.
sir, maybe,
His face was
yes.
a little bit matching.
I really wish that this kind of movie should be there when Mohanlal sir and this Suresh Gopi sir will be two brothers in some movie. Will be playing that role,
Like
two brothers
Jodha
role,
brother kind of
sibling.
one.
Yes. So he is looking very each and every scenes like it is a breathless kind of video we saw.
Yes.
All of the movie clips back to back is coming and
Yes.
made superbly. Linto Kurian has done a
Right.
great job, and
And
also the background music
was superb.
was
Yes.
superb. I don't think that music is belonging from some of the movie. It is only he
No,
has
I think
externally
I
added
think it's from some of his movie only.
his movie
yes.
only. Acha. So that music was like well synced with all of the
Yes.
scenes, and yes, it was a very good mashup. Like
Right.
always, Linto Kurian has done a brilliant job in
Brilliant job in
mashups,
doing
and
mashup
he's
and
very
all,
creative. So he has done a great job, and we really liked it.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think Linto Kurian itself, he is from Kerala or what?
Kerala, I
so.
think
Yes.
Kerala. Some of our friends only have informed
Yes.
that thing.
And
So,
Suresh Gopi also, he is also a great
Malayalam.
person, and also he has a lot of different type of careers.
Versatility.
Also versatile actor, or you
Yeah.
can say versatile person also.
Versatile
So
person.
he has played lot of different type of acting, or he
Correct.
has done singing, and currently he is like a Rajya Sabha member also, right?
Parliament
So,
member,
yes.
politician also as well. So he is multi-talented. Okay,
Yes.
so we have that audacity, like at least that we are seeing his video and
Right.
giving our reaction. So every time we say this thing, that whether it is Mohanlal sir or Suresh Gopi sir, this kind of legend kind of personality or senior actor, this is our you can say bhagya, so bhagya to give
And also,
reactions
this
on
is
this
the total
person.
pride of Indian also to have this kind of person in our industry.
Correct. So that was a very brilliant mashup we saw
Yes.
today, and we have a plan to give reaction on some of his movie clips or trailer today only because of
Yes.
his birthday. So we are thinking that. So yes, that was a very good mashup, and we enjoyed it like anything. It is a
Yeah.
10 on 10
Yes.
from our side. Okay, undoubtedly. So we are hoping that you will also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Pavan Kumar NV, and he is commenting on Rudrama Devi official trailer reaction. He is commenting Allu Arjun is next level actor, and he didn't take money for this movie and acted free because he liked character Gona Reddy so much, and he nailed it, got more name than main lead, and Allu Arjun won all awards for this 50-20 minutes role.
Okay.
Oh, is it?
So,
I didn't
yes,
know
of
that.
course, he was having a little bit role in this movie, and
okay.
seriously, he didn't took any money
didn't
also.
take any
That's
money.
very generous for
Symbol
him.
of
Yes.
excellence, you can
Right.
say. And yes, for 15-20 minutes role he won awards also, he is telling. That's great actually. Allu Arjun sir is
He's a talented,
brilliant, he's
actor
talented. So we have already done 10 or 20 facts of Allu Arjun sir,
Yes.
right? So you can definitely go and check, just go our channel and search, you'll be like definitely seeing.
Yes.
So by that video also we got to know a lot of hidden talent of Allu Arjun sir,
Of course, yeah.
like beside acting and everything. So he is very versatile and very
yes.
great actor.
That's
so,
true, yeah.
Thank you so much Pawan for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Jovi Jason Akrapati, and he is writing, please react to Kaval Malayalam movie Suresh Gopi today. It has premiered and uploaded. Check out.
Yes,
Okay,
we have
so-
checked out. Yeah. In the morning itself, we have checked out, and today only we'll be like doing the
Yes.
reaction of Kaval movie, Malayalam movie. We saw it today only. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Letting us know, and that today only you will get to see that. Okay. So thank you so much, Jovi, for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Tarun Rajkumar, and he's commenting on Rudramadevi official trailer reaction. He's commenting, at that time also VFX is bad. It would be more good if VFX was good. They had budget issues.
Yes. That happens. I think,
yeah.
and also 2015 VFX was not that much good.
Yeah.
So I think it has done a good job also.
Actually, we have to think about the time framing also as well, right?
Time framing
2015, that
also.
means that time a lot of technologies have not invented,
India also.
come to India. So I'm not saying that in all over the world, in foreign country it is already there at that time, but at the
For India, it
irrespective
took
of
a little bit time also.
correct. So by that time the VFX was not that good. We already mentioned that thing, but it was okay. Okay, and
Also,
we
of
didn't
course,
know that the budget
issue
issues
will be always there because
Always there.
VFX and all
Correct.
it takes consumes a lot of money.
Most of the money
Yes.
was going to the budget, that VFX only,
Yes.
graphics only, right? So yes, that was correct actually, but we liked the trailer a lot actually. It was like it was having the Bahubali kind of vibes also at the same time, Arundhati vibes. So I really like this kind of historical and royalty in the movie, and also the movie was a female oriented movie. That was also a plus point for me.
Yeah.
So thank you Tarun Rajkumar for commenting and for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.